Hey, how about that? I don't want to say out and spook him. Really got something in mind. Proper tiny little dinosaur, isn't there? Oh, away off, little geezer. No, you're just having a wobble. You on the hunt. I'm not going to get too close. I can't get too close. But I don't want to spook you. Look at that majestic creature there. Absolutely amazing. Right. You really can see the dinosaur, can't you, in them when they do stuff like that. Alright. Thanks for watching. I'll catch you in a bit. Oh, hang on. It's walking down the old pipeline there. You beautiful little creature, you. Right, catch you in a bit.